Welcome to Indian Express Online. The Supreme Court today has clarified a lot of things about the national eligibility cum entrance test. To talk more about it, we have with us our senior legal correspondent Utkarsh Anand. Utkarsh, what exactly happened in the court? Who can appear for the NET Part 2, which will happen in July?
Okay, after the Supreme Court's order in April, on 28th April to be more precise, the CBSE's AI PMT, which was slated for May 1st, was treated as the first phase of NEET.
Okay.
And the second phase is scheduled to take place on July 24th.
Okay.
Now, today the Supreme Court has said that NEET-2 on July 24th will be open to all the candidates, even for those who appeared in NEET-1 examination, provided they are willing to give up their scores for May 1st examination.
Okay.
The court has also said that it will be open for the central government, CBSE and the Medical Council of India to reschedule the examinations. In fact, this happened because there were complaints that there were certain candidates who did not get ample time to prepare for the examinations.
Yeah.
To take care of all these concerns, the Supreme Court today said that all the candidates can appear in NEET-2,
Okay.
but they will not have to rely on the May 1st scores then.
Can the state governments and the private institutions, can they hold their tests anymore?
Now, this, in fact, a lot of state governments, including Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, they had moved the Supreme Court, saying that as a one-time measure, they should be allowed to conduct their own examination, common entrance test for medical admissions for the current academic session, despite the NEET notification getting revived by the Supreme Court's order in April. Now, they had their own reasons. They said that students did not have ample time to prepare. Also, the colleges, they have been conducting their own examinations too. So, only for this year, the state government should be allowed to conduct their own exams. However, the Supreme Court did not agree with the state governments. They said that after the NEET notification has come in force, which is a central government's regulation, the state government's regulations or laws regarding the conduct of the medical admission test would be overridden by the central law. So NEET would remain the only forum and the only manner of admission to MBBS and BDS courses across the country.
From now onwards?
Yes.
Okay. And what about the reserved category and minority institutions?
No, these concerns were also raised in the court. However, the bench, it was a 3-judge bench, it said that these were not the issues that they needed to consider because the issue before them was the validity of NEET and whether the private colleges or minority-run institutions, they must be allowed as a matter of right to conduct their own examinations. The Supreme Court has overruled it. It has today said that as far as matters regarding reserved category students and minority institutions are concerned, that is not for them to decide, and that NEET would be the common admission test for all the colleges, and there will be a common list of eligible candidates. There will be only one merit list, and then the admission would take place from this list.
Okay, based on that list.
Based on that list.
Okay. That's the development. Hope this puts to rest a lot of doubts in the minds of lakhs of parents and students. Thanks for watching.